Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Maple Ridge, local, and long-distance movers near me. There are plenty of cheap Maple Ridge moving companies to choose from, but not all are dependable. 3 Movers offers you both affordable rates and the most dependable service you can find. We specialize in local and long-distance moving services. No matter what you need to move or how far you need to go, we can make it easier and more efficient. Our long-distance moving services will allow you to get to the efficient move you need. We offer the following with each move: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. You get the best options when you relocate with us. Our team will handle your long-distance move with the most efficient process. When you're ready to handle your relocation, we can help make it easier. A Canada moving company will make it super easy to move to your new location. Even if you're just moving a few miles away, it's a big job to take on yourself. Without professional movers, you will be responsible for all the heavy lifting and hard work. Hiring 3 Movers takes that heavy lifting off your shoulders. We offer the streamlined services that you need to settle in faster and with more energy. Our team can help you move no matter how big the move will be. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Maple Ridge moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.